Welcome back, Coding Adventures. Before moving forward with the Pixie.js, I have added some CSS to remove the default margin and padding from the body. Our hero needs a challenge. I'll create an empty list called rocks. It's an array. Now, I'm writing a function called createRock. Inside this function, I'll make a new sprite using the rock image. I'll set its position to some random, which means it can appear anywhere from the left to the right side of the screen. Using this rock.y equals to minus 50, I am placing all the rocks above the screen. I am giving random speed to the rocks. And now our main step, adding the rocks to the stage and pushing them to the rocks array. To make them appear automatically, I'll use set interval to run this create rock function every 1000 milliseconds. That's 1 second. Now for the game loop, I am typing app dot picker dot add. It's a callback function which runs 60 times in a second. Inside this, I'll loop through every rock and increase its Y position so it falls down. So let me explain what I am doing here. In this app.ticker method, I am updating the rock's y position, and after it goes beyond the screen height, I am removing them from the stage and from the rocks array also. Thank you.